Friday, February 3rd, 2023, 5:05 p.m. On the way over to feed the cattle for dinner. And look at this guy. What does he think he's doing? At least he didn't go far. What are you doing? I mean her. What are you doing, girl? What are you doing? You gotta go get in your spot. I turned the power off. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Where you been? You been around? I don't see any tracks. Did you come the long way? Come on, let's eat. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. So that means I'm going to have to turn the power back on. This is our milk cow. Come on, honey. You look like you've already been eating. Moo-moos, come on. Come on. I can get her easily, actually. Let me get some feed. You're okay. You're okay. This is a first. Besides the first day we got the cows. If I take them some hay over, I'll get them occupied, and then let me do that. Let me get them occupied. I wanted to do this for you guys, but yeah, she's been over here eating. I'm just gonna throw it here so I can get these guys occupied. What are you doing over there, moo-moos? Did you check out the pond? Did you like the pond water? You're the first moo-moo to drink out of the pond. Well, my moo-moos. The other moo-moos used to drink out of it. Sorry for the camera view. Let me just get them some hay to get them started, and then. Alright. Just show you guys the process of. As long as she doesn't fall in there. Because that bank is. No, girl. No, girl. Moo-moos. Come on, moo-moos. Don't walk there. Uh-oh. Come on. Come on. She knows that sound. You want some? Come on. Come on. Come on. I have to walk forward because she knows her feed spot's right there. She's like, where are you going? Come on. Come on, moo-moos. Come on, moo-moos. Come on. You just gonna explore everything? Come on. Come on, moo-moos. She hasn't even walked down. She must have just got out. It's 5 o'clock. They know when I'm coming. Come on, girl. I don't want her to walk close because she can fall off, and that's pretty deep. She might walk through here. I'm gonna try. Come on. I'm gonna get ahead of her. And she's wanting to get through some greens. Come on, moo-moos. Wow, that's tight. Hold on, guys. Right there, buddy. Come on, girl. If she sees him eating, she'll come over. Come on, girl. She might not because of the water. What are you jumping for? Come on, mama. I just don't want the big ones to come over. Come on, girl. Come on. It's okay. Come on. You scared of the water? Huh? Here, you can walk through here. Here, walk through here. Come here. Come on. You wanna walk through this one? Here. You're okay. Of course, that's hooked up there. Come on, here. I gotta turn the power on back on. Come on. Come on. You would go right to my grass, huh? Come on. Come on, Moose. Push this down. Come on, Moose. It's off. You got through it. Come on. Guess I could have did that at the beginning, but I did loosen it up at the end. Come on. No, no, no. Come this way. It's okay. Come on. Are you going to take me to the spot you got out? Is it down? Doesn't look down. Come on, baby. Come on. Here. Come on, Moose. Come on. You're okay. Come on, you better come get it before your big boy gets it. Come on. Moose, no, come this way. Moose, no. No, you're going to fall down in there. No, that's deep. Come this way. Come on. Don't go that way. Go on. Go up in the cage. Go on. Come on. Come on. Go on. Get up in there. No, don't go that way. Come on. This way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get some. Come get some. You're okay. Come on. Come on. She's spooked right now because she's on the outside. If she wasn't on the outside, she'd be okay. You guys stay over there. Come on before they run out. Here. Come on. Come on. Come on, it's okay. You got through it. Did they chase you out? Come on. It's okay, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, Moose. Come on, Moose. Come on here. Good girl, come on. Let me back up some more. Maybe they'll let you. Good girl. Come on, it's okay. It's not on. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, Moose. Come on, Moose. You're okay. Come on. No. No. Don't go that way. You gotta go inside. Come on. Come on. Go inside. Go on. Go on. Go inside. Go on. No. Where are you going? No. Moose, come here. Come on. You want to go to your spot? Come on. Come on. Come on, Moose. You going to go in or not? You got to come on. Come on. Come on. Is this where you got out? Come on. No, don't go that way. Come on, girl. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. I know you want some. Come on. You're okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, Moose. Come on, let's go get some. Your brother's going to get it all. Or your... Here, you want to go to this way? Come on, Moose. Come on. It's okay, come on. Come on before the other ones get out. Come on. Come on, Moose. Come on, Moose. Go ahead. Go on, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. You're okay. Go get it. Go on. Go ahead. No. Come on. You got to go in there. Go on. Go inside. Go on. You're a good girl. You going to go inside? You're fat and sassy now. No. Come here. Where are you going? You can't go far. You can't go far. Where'd you get out at? You want to go through this way? Come on. Did you get out? Where'd you get out at? I don't want you to go to that pond side. You're going to slip in. Come on. Let's go. Go on. You be a silly girl. Go on. No. No. You go inside. No, don't eat that. Where'd you get out at? Huh? Come on, you want to get some feed? Oh, you got out? Oh, no, that's from me dropping it. Come on, Moomoo's. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Moomoo's. You're getting them distracted now. You're getting them all distracted on me. We gotta get your treats. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on, babies. Which way you want to go? I wish I wouldn't have hit it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You silly. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here. Good girl. Go on. Leave her alone. Go on. Go on. Go on. Get. Go on. Leave her alone. Go on, so I can get her in. Go on. Go eat your hay. Leave her alone. No. Go that way. Alright, I still gotta get her tail end in. Hopefully they won't mess with her. Leave her alone now. Go on. Get in there, girl. Go on. Go on. Alright. Here we go. Leave her alone. No. That's her treat. She listened. Go on. Here. Here you go. Sorry for the angle, guys. I'm just trying to get this done. Well, that took 15 minutes. Groceries just got here. I was supposed to be going and unloading groceries. I'm glad I came over when I did. What are you doing, buddy? Did you get a treat too? Huh? I know what happened. You guys chased her out of there. You guys are mean to her. Now that he's becoming older, he's becoming meaner to her. He's bossing her around. Alright, let me hook this back up. So that means I'm going to have to, and I looked up the fences today too. Alright, that's back up. Alright guys, just thought I'd bring you for a ride. Wasn't too bad. It could be a lot worse. Only other time I've had it happen was when they were unloading. My buddy was unloading them here, and the first one that got out, I've told you guys the story. It ran straight through. I didn't have it powered up yet. Well, I had it disconnected because, no, I didn't even have it powered up yet. He figured that they would be fine because they've been tuned to it. All right, girl, you stay in there. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, she's been out here for a little bit because she's pooped. She just came to that spot there. She didn't go anywhere but to the feed. This looks like... yeah, those are her hoof prints. She might have gotten out through here somewhere. But I got a bunch of videos I'm gonna let you guys catch up on because I've got some work. I started on the farrowing pen today. I mean, not the farrowing, the weaning pen today. I had to change my design, so I had half of it up and took it back down because it's not going to work round the way I want it to. I'm going to have to make straight edges and straight corners. Straight corners, that's precise corners, not curved corners. Angled corners, not curved corners. Right now I have it as curved corners. That's what I thought I wanted because I thought it would look cool, but it's just too difficult to do, so unless I think of something else, I'm going to figure something out. But I definitely got to get them moved by tomorrow because she was laying down for them when they came running back in. Nana had to go find them. They were missing for a little bit. I don't even go looking for them anymore. I said, Nana. All right, guys. I got some stuff to do. I'll upload this later. We all see this before you get that message, but it is what it is. Yeah, first one, I don't even think she got down there. Yeah, she got down there. I don't think she got all the way, though. Alright, y'all. God bless. Y'all come back now.